Let me ask you a question before anything else. If everything in your life stayed exactly the same for the next 10 years, 20 years, same job, same routine, same paycheck, same stress, same dreams on pause, would you honestly be happy? Because most people say yes out loud, but deep down, their soul is screaming no. And that's exactly what this channel is about. Thank you and welcome to Mind of AJ. First things first, my name is AJ Singh, but the Mind of AJ is not about me. Mon, the Mind of AJ stands for Mind of an Average Joe. The average Joe is someone who was taught the same script we were all taught. What is that script? Go to school, get good grades, good job, work 40 years, retire, and somehow live a happy life. Sounds safe, right? But nobody tells you this other part of that script: the burnout, the stress, debt, living paycheck to paycheck, waiting for Friday, hating Monday, and slowly becoming slave to your own routine. Not a slave to your boss or somebody, but a slave to your own mind. Yes, the invisible prison. See, the worst prison in the world doesn't have bars. It's the prison where you want more, but you are too scared. You have dreams, but you are silence them. You know you're capable of more, but you settle because that's what normal. And crazy part, most people don't even realize it. They're trapped. What they call it? They call it, oh, stability, security, being realistic. But deep down, it's a fear dressed as responsibility. I know because I was there myself. I was there. Let me tell you a little about myself. I am not here as a guru. I am not here pretending I have it all figured out. I was the average Joe. I followed rules. I did what I was supposed to do. I believed that if just kept my head down and worked harder, life would magically make sense. But something always felt off. I wasn't lazy. I wasn't ungrateful. I was just unfulfilled. I'd wake up, do the same thing every day, and think, is this really it? Is this the life I'm supposed to be proud of? And I kept pushing those thoughts away because nobody around me was asking those questions. And the question that really changed everything for me. Then one day, one simple question hit me like a punch in the chest. Like I couldn't breathe for a minute. If nothing changes, where does my life actually end up? Not my hopes, not my dreams. Reality hit me harder than I thought. And I did not like the answer that I got. That question forced me to realize something powerful. Nobody was coming to save me. Not my job, not the system, not the motivation videos. If I wanted a different life, I needed a different mindset. Average to a minority mindset. Most people live with an average mindset, like we discussed earlier. They wait, they complain, they blame, they hope things change. But the world is run by minority mindsets. People who are thinking long term, take responsibility, invest in themselves first, question everything, and act even when it's uncomfortable. That's when I realized being average is normal, but it's not mandatory. Today, I run a digital marketing business, but let me be very clear. This channel is not here to shove a business in your face. This channel is about reviewing your thinking, breaking mental chains, and building confidence, and stepping out of the survival modes. Because business, money, and freedom, they all start in the mind. If your mindset is broke, no opportunities will save you. This channel, on this channel, we're going to talk about how to escape average thinking, how to stop living on autopilot, how to build discipline, how to think independently, and how to create leverage in your life. No fake motivations, no rented limos or Lambos, no get rich nonsense. Just real conversation for real people who know they're meant for more. I just want to give a real shout out to Minority Mindset. I personally watch this channel, and I want to say this openly. If you really want, after getting your mindset, you can check out Minority Mindset by Jaspreet. I don't get paid to say this, and I don't get any promotions from him. I just have respect for the people who genuinely educate and challenge the system and teach people. That's the energy we support here. If you were ever felt stuck, if you ever questioned the system, if you know deep down you're capable of more, you're in the right place. This is mindset of AJ, where average Joes wake up just like how I did. So feel free to subscribe, stay uncomfortable, and let's build the way you think. Because the moment your mind changes, everything else will follow. Your entire life will change. And again, thank you. And this was an introduction video about myself and what I want to bring, what kind of values I want to bring to you guys. Thank you, and you guys have a great day. We'll see you another time with another video.